recording. Okay, so I'm just going to connect this thing by headset. I got my headset this on. Can I turn it off? Hear you? Okay, guys, my slime is here. Look, at my beautiful slime. It's so cool and very stretchy. Stop! You want to record your own video? Okay. There's my snow. My snow thing. Snow slime. Wait, Toggy. Guys, my sister wants a dog. Okay, record your own video. Okay, it's calm. Wait, you have to hold it. What? How it turns. Okay, guys. Alright, that's good. It's fine. So, guys, look. It's very stretchy. I like it how it turns. So, it's cool. I guess you need some water and then put it in every kind of, I don't know, except for plates. And then rain her hair, and then put some. Oh, stop! You don't like to record your own video. So, and then put some water in there. And then put some. I don't know what it's called. Some borax, I guess, and then mix it, and then it will turn to slime. And then put some glue, and then it will really turn to slime, I guess, guys. And this is what happened. And I put some powders on the thing.